Lady Marlene here to show us and tell us if we got the green thumb or not, right?
Yeah, well, she says that you do.
Oh.
Because you talk to your plants. So you approve of him talking to his plants?
He's giving off, you know, the carbon dioxide. So
yes.
it's good.
And the energy as well. You know, the plants.
But
yeah.
I'm your favorite plant lady. Aren't I the only plant lady?
That's right. Oops.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
The only.
All right, so let's go to the first question here. The person says, this plant is supposed to be easy to grow.
Yeah, so this is the problem. If you look online and you read about plants, remember, you know, there's big different growing environments. And this one is called an erica. Now, this gets really confusing because that's the genus. There's another genus of plant that looks very similar that's called Carolina, and the common names are heath and heather. So you got three names, and they sort of are all used interchangeably. Now, this is a great plant for areas that have more humidity than us and are acidic areas. So the nurseries bring these into full bloom, and they look gorgeous, and people buy them, but they don't like our heat. They don't like our alkaline soils. And then they have a really fast bloom, and then that's it. They also need really great drainage. So they're easy to grow in the right environment. We don't have the right environment. Resist the urge to buy them when you see them in bloom at the nursery. Okay,
next question here. My plant is not growing. What to do here for this next one? It's not growing very fast.
Okay, so young citrus can just sit there and sit there. What they're doing is they're getting their roots established, and then all of a sudden after 3 years they could just bolt and put on a whole bunch of growth. But I actually do see new growth on this. If you look lower down, there's new leaves. So in fact, it is growing, so it's okay. Now the problem here is those leaves are cupping up, and that indicates, one, that it's hot, and it has been hot. But usually when you have cupping and discoloration of the leaves, like I'm seeing here, you're probably overwatering it.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, citrus do need regular water, especially if they're in a container in a pot, but still don't keep it too wet. And if it doesn't revert back to green, give it a little nitrogen. But I think controlling the water is going to help it. But as far as growing, just be patient.
Okay, you got 20 seconds to answer this last question here. What is growing on my Sago palm? What is this?
Okay, remember, Sago palms aren't palms. They're coning plants. That is a cone. You either have male cones or female cones, meaning male plants or female plants. That one looks like a female. If it sets fruit, they're poisonous and toxic to dogs and animals, so you want to remove it. I wouldn't remove it yet, but that's it. They're not palms, they're cycads, and that's the cone.
You're a cycad.
Alrighty then.
Alrighty
Our
then.
favorite one.
Follow her. Follow our favorite plant lady, our only one and only favorite plant lady.
Only plant lady.
Yes, only one here. The Plant Lady, KNXTV.com if you want to send your picture and your question, your concern here. Follow her on Facebook if you didn't get your question today, and she will try to get to those on her Facebook page, Instagram as well. All right, back over to you.